Want to build a student assignment performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building, a complete analytics solution. This is the data we're working with, student assignments, scores, and performance metrics. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our data into Bricks. Simply upload your file and let Bricks do the work. Import complete. Now we'll click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our student data, identifying key patterns, and automatically generating the perfect visualizations. It's creating charts for assignment distribution, score trends over time, top-performing students, grade-level comparisons, and subject analysis, plus comprehensive data tables for detailed insights. Our student assignment performance dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 summary tables. We can instantly customize the theme to match our preferences. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our dashboard. This full-screen view is perfect for sharing insights with teachers and administrators. Every chart is interactive and responsive. We can exit presentation mode anytime and continue exploring our data with full interactivity. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.